Hi everyone, my name is Viktor Suha and welcome to my course Managing SQL Server Database Performance. I am currently a database developer and DBA at GS Group. Have you experienced performance problems with your SQL Server database solution and had a challenge to identify the root cause and resolve them? In this course, we are going to explore what external factors can adversely impact the database performance even if your workload is seemingly optimized. Also, we are going to cover the troubleshooting and optimization methods to either prevent or resolve these problems. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the importance of server maintenance including patching SQL Server, optimizing SQL Server memory settings and TempDB configuration, estimating Azure SQL database service tiers and sizes, troubleshooting common performance problems with weight statistics. By the end of this course, you'll know how to prevent common SQL Server performance problems from happening in the first place and how to troubleshoot performance problems more efficiently. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with using SQL Server Management Studio to be able to run queries against any version of SQL Server. From here, you should feel comfortable further diving into performance troubleshooting and optimization with courses on SQL Server weight statistics, automatic tuning in Azure SQL Database, and using the SQL Server Query Store. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about performance troubleshooting and optimization with the Managing SQL Server Database Performance course at Pluralsight.